Coming to the next topic, we have a particular column which has been published in the science section of the Hindu, which talks about biologics and biosimilars. See, we have biologics, which are those substances, those medications, which are derived from living organisms. It can be the blood, it can be the proteins, it can be anything from living creatures. And they have a patent for a specific period. After the patent is expired, we can have other products which have the similar efficacy as that of the biosimilars. They don't have the similar structure, but they have similar functioning. That's the reason we say these products who perform in a similar manner as that of the biologics as biosimilars, right? Biologics include medicines that generally come from living organisms, which can include animal cells, microorganisms such as yeast and bacteria. That makes biologics different from conventional medications, which are based on the chemicals, which are commonly made from the chemicals. Biologics, including the insulin, generally come from the living organisms, so their nature varies and their structure are generally more complex. Since they are based on organic framework, their structure varies. Manufacturing biologics can be more complicated process than making the conventional drugs. A biosimilar is a biologic that is highly similar. It's not identical, it's similar to another biologic that is already FDA approved. We're talking about the USA. This has been taken from the USA. So over there we have the Food and Drug Administration, the regulatory body which approves the drug, known as the original biologic. It is both normal and expected for both biosimilars and the original biologics to have minor differences between the batches of the same medication. This means that biologics cannot be copied exactly, and that is why biosimilars are not identical to the other biologics. Biosimilars must have no clinically meaningful differences from their original biologics. On the top of that, biosimilars must be given the same way, same route of administration of that particular drug, have the same strength and dosage, have the same potential side effects. This means that biosimilars provide the same treatment benefits and have the same risk as the original biologics. They are more affordable. The biosimilars are more affordable as compared to the biologics. That is what you'll have to understand. Also, you can have this infographic. Biologics and biosimilars. Origin made from living cells. Again, copies made after the patent expiry of the biologics. Structure large and complex. Again, similar but not identical. Trials, full clinical trial and trial approved via comparability, whether it performs in a similar manner as compared to the biologics. This is what you'll have to understand. Probably a question can come in the prelims. Let's go to the next topic.